Watch out, you go, boys. No, if you need a wedge, they're all gathered open. We're good. Good. That's how you go, ladies and gentlemen. Up. You gotta look cocky. You want a shorter one? Yeah, shorter one.
Hey, we've got quite a few down. We got this thing to go right up by the shed.
Oh, number 8. 8 or 9.
And we keep forgetting every time I go to cut my humboldt. Right before I cut it out, I remember get the camera.
You probably recorded 5 out of 13 so far. Yeah, when at angle he wants to put it on, so it'll fall in his bed and cut out. Fiber. Makes it easier. Feed it, Piper, feed it, Piper. Yeah. Get her to fall the way she wants to. Time to put 2 in it. A little awkward little tree here, because we need it to fall in a certain spot. About to go, boys. About to go all the way through. Another one down. Up. Need some hair around it. All right, here we go. We got much left. These boys work hard. Odom crew right here, boy. First one we've had to use 3, boys. This is the first one we had to use 3 of them. There she goes. There she goes. There she blows. Timber! Boom! Right where we wanted her, baby.
All right, how about that?
Way, boys! Yeah! Woo! A little extra technique, y'all. We're actually pulling it to the tractor. You want that big one? You want that big saw? Y'all, we got the tractor pulling it. Got it winched, going all the way up the tree at the top. Got her tension on her. We're gonna wedge her in there. Whenever our sawer man comes on back, we'll be ready to go.
Good barber chair, you. I got the hat ground.
There's our saw man. We wonder where he went to. Get her done, boys. Just get her done. Woo! God dang, go. Man, we got it, boys. It's gonna happen. It's gonna fall right where we want it.
Howdy, everybody. How is everybody feeling today? We got this job done, and got to go back cut the stumps off low as we can. But I just wanted to get with everybody and let you know I hope you're having a good day, and I appreciate all the subscribers. And if you hadn't subscribed, subscribe, and we got more stuff coming. Peace out.